Welcome to sand shots. So with this lesson we're going to talk about greenside bunker sand shots. It's called a blast shot. So the biggest thing with the blast shot is you are not actually hitting the golf ball. You are actually hitting the sand, which lifts the ball out onto the green. Okay? So when you're practicing, we're going to go over the setup and basics of the blast shot. When you are practicing, you will want to draw a line a couple inches behind the golf ball. On the golf course, we do not actually want to do this. It is a 2-stroke penalty to be touching the sand. Okay? So while you're practicing, that's okay. We want to learn how to be able to control the golf ball out of the sand. So okay in this situation. All right, set up for a sand shot. Again, this shot is in between a chip and a pitch. So we are going to break our wrists on this. It's going to be more of a full swing, but we kind of have the setup of a chip shot. Okay? So first thing, we have an open stance again. So feet, hips, shoulders, all pointed off to the left of the target a little bit. Okay? We're going to play the ball position off of our right foot. Okay? So you'll see ball position-wise, it's more off of my right foot. Okay? Here, you want to dig your feet in a little bit. You want to get some traction, so we're going to dig our feet in. Now, when you draw your line, you want to tell your body that that's where you want to hit. So you do not want to be hovering the club next to the golf ball. You want to hover it over the line because that's where you want to hit. Okay? Again, 2-stroke penalty for grounding your club in a hazard. So when you are really hitting out of a bunker, you cannot come out and set your club down. So we don't want to do that here either. We want to practice for what we're actually doing. Okay? So you want to be able to hover your golf club above the sand before you hit. So here you want to hover above your line that you want to make disappear. So your whole goal right now is to make this line disappear because we want to hit the sand, not the golf ball. Okay? So again, we have the open stance. Ball is in the back of the stance. Your club faces at the target and you're going to hover it above your line. Okay? Big thing is we want to have our follow through. We want to have our finish onto our left foot. We're going to break our wrists on this one, so we're finishing all the way through. Okay? So hovering above the line, making the line disappear. And my finish, hips are pointed at my target. My foot is just a kickstand, just for balance. Okay? My line has disappeared. And that's your whole goal. Okay? Making that line disappear. And that is the blast shot.